see about OOPS concepts in Python. Here we will cover the topics are object-oriented program, then what is class and object, then what are the pillars in object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is used to structure the program. Here we use objects and classes. The more advantages of object-oriented programming is the code reusability. The class is nothing but the both properties and methods are combined in one unit. For example, we take one car class. That car class have many functions and properties. The properties like car color, width, length. Then functions are move, stop, start. Both are combined in one unit. It's called class. The object is used to access the class. The object-oriented programming have four pillars. One is encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. Encapsulation is the both properties and functions are combined in one capsule. It's called encapsulation. For example, we take one car class. That car class have many functions and properties. Code for encapsulation. I create one car class, then I write the functions for the car class. Init is a constructor. The self keyword is used to access the variables. Then I want to display the variables length and width. I print the self dot length and I self dot width. Then I create an object for the car class. Then that values are here I insert. Then I call the getName function to I print the car length and car width. Now I will run the code. It print the car length and width of the car is printed. The length of car is 5 meter. Then width of the car is 4 feet. Inheritance. Inheritance is derived from another class. For example, we take two class. One class is car class. Another one is Maruti class. The car class have the properties and methods same that Maruti class have same properties and methods. So we don't want to write the code again in the Maruti class. So we inherit the properties and methods from the car class to the Maruti class. It's called inheritance. Here I write the code for inheritance. I create one car class, then another one class is Maruti class. Here I write the function for the car class length and width. Then I want to display the length and width. So I create a getName function. Then I want to inherit the properties and methods from car class. So so I put parenthesis inside car class. Here I write the function. Then super function is used to inherit the parent class. Then I inherit the parent class length and width. Then I want to add year in the properties. Then I want to print display the length, width, year. Then I create an object for an Maruti class. I inserted the values length, width, then year. Then I call the print name function. It will print the self length of the car, then width of the car. Then when it is found the year, it's all are printed. Then abstraction. Abstraction is used to hide the data to another class. For example, we take one Maruti class, another one is car class. The car class have many properties and functions. The car class don't want to show that the properties and methods to another class, so it hide the data. It using private key to hide the data. The code for here I write the code for abstraction. I want to put private key, so here I put double underscore. Here I also want to here I put double underscore. Here I put self dot double underscore length. Then here I want to print here I print the length, the length of the length, the car length is, then I put the variable name. It print the variable name. Here we don't need to put. Now it print the length of the car. The length is 5 meter. Then 290 is when founded the car. Here I put the private key to the length variable, so it don't show the outside of the class. I print the length variable is inside the class is I printed. Polymorphism, it is many functions with the same name. It called polymorphism. It have two methods: method overloading and method overriding. Method overloading has same functions and different prototype. Which function has to be called? It decided at the compile time. It's called method overloading. Then method overriding, it have same function and same prototype. Which function has to be called? It decided at the runtime. It's called method overriding. For example, we see the code. Here I write the code for polymorphism. Here I put same function name. Here I change the function name. Same function and same prototype. It's called method overriding. Here I also call the get function. Which function has to be called? It decided at the runtime. It's called method overriding. It print the length and the width and year. That's all about this session. Thank you for watching.